good one. Is this a gar or a striper? Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Therapy, y'all. I'm here today, getting back on the water, man. Today, we're gonna go after those elusive long-nosed gar again, guys. You saw that video. I got the gar fever right now. So I'm gonna go after them, guys, with the same rig I had before. If you guys aren't familiar, it's a bobber, it's a split shot, and it's a size 1/0 circle hook. Okay, Gamakatsu. And this is on about 20-pound braid. This one I didn't add a leader to. I'm not too stressed about that. My other rods, I'm fishing with 3 rods today. We're gonna be using some gizzard shad. I'm gonna be cutting them for cut bait. If I have a smaller one, I may throw it in there. So I'm seeing a few fish jumping up around here in spot locks, back at my favorite spot, my favorite little honey hole. So let's see how we do, guys. Stay tuned. Let's get that therapy, y'all. It'll be a good one. I'm gonna go troll to my few spots where I think I see some gar. Start off with the head, if you feel lively. Hook them straight through the, I'm gonna hook them straight through the nose. Straight through the nose. Start about a foot down. All right, let's get off of this spot lock. All right, guys, I see these gar busting on the water right now. They finally came back to me. Been searching for them for about 3-4 hours. About 3 hours, man. See if I can get on the one right now. So I see them over here. I'm sight fishing them now. They're in the shade back here. I got one on right now. I'm taking it. Got it. Oh, he let go. Let go. Bunch of them down there. Bunch of them there along the bank over there. Oh, there we go. Another one. Running with it. Oh, that's a nice size one. Okay, he running. Running. Jump. Oh! Come on, stay on. Come on. Can't horse him on this braid. Gotta take my time with him. Last one got off right here. At least I can sight fish them, though I know where they at. Oh, you're running again. Come on. Come on, girl. I'm tired now. Tired now. Come on, girl. I'm tired now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Got her. Ah, got her. Nice. Yes, sir. Good stuff. Nice gar. Leave her up there on the front deck. I get my gloves on. This time, not getting cut up. Fourth gar ever. Took a while to horse her in. I got braided line. Yeah. Get out of that net. Get out of that net. Nice. Got a good gar. Cool. I'm gonna put her in the cooler. See if I can get another free line. See if I can get another free line. I see him down in there though, y'all. Okay, here we go. One got it. Eating it. Eat it. Eat it. It's crazy. I can see my bait. He running with it now. Running with it, running with it, running with it. Stopped. I want to see it disappear in his mouth. Running with it, running with it, running with it. Running with it, running with it. Oh. Oh, wow. It felt the hook. I think I can horse this one in. They are powerful. Look at that. Let's go. Got another one. That's a little one. It's a little one. Still gonna eat him now. Small one. But he got it right in the side of the mouth. Look at that hook set. Look at that beautiful hook set, y'all. Look at that. Right in the side of the mouth, that gar. Perfect hook set. God, cut me too. Nice browner one. Cut me up good, look. It's okay. Alright, went to the other side of the lake. Gar jumping over here. Oh, that's a nice one. Another one. Oh, there's so many gar right here right now. Gotta be patient, let him eat it. I thought he ate it already, shoot. Got it. Got it. There we go. Wanna jump? Yeah. Oh, got you right in the snout. Oh, you swallowed. This one's not that big, but she'll do. Oh, got the hook in the top of the head. Nice. Let's go. That's 3 for today. Oh, I got you right on top of the nose. Good stuff. That hook out easy. The last time you cut me up. Not gonna be a fool again. Good stuff. It's 3 of them.
A big old shad and a small one. Oh. Took it underneath. Goodness. Oh yeah. Tearing drag right now. Good stuff. Here we go, y'all. Again, another good one. Could it be 4 today? We'll see. Who knows? Gotta watch that other bobber. Oh, here we come a jump. Turning. This is like a good one. It's a good one. I might have to get on a trolling motor to chase this one down. God dog it. It's like a good one. Goodness. It's gonna spool me. Whatever this is. Gotta get out of the spotlight. I haven't even saw the damn fish yet. A good one. Is this a gar or a striper? It's staying down. What is it? It may be a striper, y'all. That's what it's acting like. Staying down like a striper. Striper or a big catfish. What is it? Oh my God, that's a huge gar. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, y'all, that's a big gar. Oh, that's a big gar. Oh, that's a big gar. Oh, look at him. Oh, wow. It is not done. I gotta get on my motor. It is not done, y'all. This is a huge gar. And I'm just afraid of these sharp teeth. We're gonna get him now. Y'all, I'm trying to get on this gar, y'all. My cameras is dying. All my cameras is dead. I cannot get this big gar in, y'all. I've been fighting him for over 30 minutes. Look at that.
Gar?
Yeah, I was fishing for gar. I caught a couple of smaller ones. Then this one took off from way across there.
How long you been on it?
About 35, 40 minutes. Can't even get him out of the net.
Gar worth eating or is it just fun?
Huh?
Gar worth eating or just sport?
One of the best tasting fish out there.
Really?
Hey, my friend told me about them about a month ago. I tried them. Dude, I've been addicted. It's one of the best tasting fish you can have. It tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Like it has that chicken texture, but it's not super fishy. But this one, man,
You saw you battling your cameras and everything.
oh, everything wants to die on me right now. All this time.
Load 'em up. Wow.
Thanks. I don't know what I'll put them in, but I'm going home now.
Cut off what you don't need.
Right.
Well, there's supper.
Goodness.
You post your stuff anywhere?
Yeah, I have a fishing channel. It's called Fishing is Therapy
Fishing is there.
on YouTube. Look at that dinosaur. Look at that. A giant. A giant, y'all. Look at that right there. Wow. Look how big he is. Oh yeah, sunfish assassin. Wilson, I got a little something for you guys. Now I'm for sure mounting this one. For sure. If I get my scale on and alive. Look at that. 10 and a half. All right, y'all. Today was an epic day, y'all. I wish you guys saw all of it, but that was long enough. I got a lot of good footage on my head mount when he took off running. And then I tried to keep some footage on here for you guys. Trying to turn the camera guy. It was mayhem in here by myself. 10 and a half, probably pushing 11 gar, 11-pound gar. I don't know how long he is. He's definitely longer than 48 inches. I gotta bend him to put him in my cooler, y'all. So it's been a great day, epic. I got 4 gar in a cooler with 3 gar in this small cooler right here. Yeah, I got 3 nice size gar in that cooler, and I got that big one in the other, guys. It's time for me to head in. Time for me to get him clean, processed, guys. But I'm tired, so I just got to get back to the boat ramp because it's so hot out here, scorching. I ran out of water. I'm hungry. See you guys on another episode of Fishing is Therapy. I got my therapy. You get yours. Peace.